Howdy, it's Van McCoy, Master Mixologist at Mayberry Spirits Distillery. And today, it's time for an Appletini. We're going to be making our apple thyme martini for you today, and it is scrumptious. So we're going to start out, we're going to put a little bit of ice into our shaker. We're going to be using our Crystal Moon sorghum whiskey, which is a clear, unaged, single malt sorghum whiskey, which has a nose very much like that of tequila and a body and taste somewhere between rum and tequila. So it's great for any of those clear or even tropical drinks and super for doing any kind of flavored martinis. So we're going to start out, we're going to do 1 ounce of our Crystal Moon. There we go. And then we're going to use 1 ounce of a very clean apple juice. So I prefer the fresh pressed, not from concentrate, any kind will work. Then we're going to be using our thyme simple syrup. Now you can find out how to make this in one of our other videos, but it's fresh thyme in a simple syrup base. And for this, we're going to be using about 1/2 ounce. You could go for a little more if you like, in there. So thyme simple syrup in there. And then we're going to give that a good shake until that is nice and frosty on the outside. Chill it down. Alrighty, nice and frosty on there. So we're going to take our glass and we are going to fill it with our thyme apple martini. There we go. And then for garnish, I like to take an apple and using a little melon baller, make some little apple balls that will drop right in there. They'll float right on the top because of their density. And then for your swizzle stick, here's the pièce de résistance. We have a swizzle stick, and I have wrapped some fresh thyme around it, not simply to be pretty, but the idea, very much like a mint julep and having a mint sprig, is you're going to get the nose and the smell from that thyme as you pick up your glass. So, it's time for an appletini. Voila, our apple thyme martini. Cheers.